Creating unique gifts from repurposed wood scraps presents a wealth of advantages that resonate with both artisans and recipients, fostering creativity, sustainability, and meaningful connections. One of the most significant benefits of repurposing wood scraps is the opportunity to minimize waste and promote environmental responsibility. In an era where sustainability is increasingly prioritized, transforming leftover materials into beautiful gifts not only reduces the environmental impact associated with woodworking, but also encourages a mindset of resourcefulness and creativity. Instead of discarding unused wood, artisans can breathe new life into these scraps, demonstrating that even the smallest pieces of wood can yield stunning and functional items. This practice not only helps to divert waste from landfills, but also showcases the potential for upcycling, inspiring others to reconsider how they utilize materials in their own projects. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of repurposed wood scraps unique gifts ideas. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Furthermore, the process of creating gifts from repurposed wood scraps allows artisans to express their creativity in innovative ways. Wood scraps come in various shapes, sizes, and textures, providing a unique canvas for experimentation. Artisans have the freedom to combine different types of wood, colors, and finishes, resulting in one-of-a-kind pieces that reflect their personal style and artistic vision. This creative exploration can lead to the development of distinctive gifts that stand out in a market saturated with mass-produced items. Each piece carries a story, both in its material origin and in the creative process that shaped it, adding emotional depth and significance to the final product. Recipients of such gifts often appreciate the thoughtfulness and effort that went into crafting something unique, making these items more than mere possessions. They become cherished keepsakes imbued with personal meaning. Moreover, creating gifts from repurposed wood scraps can be a cost-effective endeavor. For artisans, sourcing materials from leftover wood reduces the need to purchase new supplies, allowing them to create beautiful gifts without a substantial financial investment. This affordability opens the door for individuals who may be new to woodworking or crafting, encouraging them to explore their creativity without the pressure of high costs. Additionally, by using materials that might otherwise go to waste, artisans can create a wide range of gift options, from keychains and coasters to wall art and decorative boxes, making it feasible to produce items at various price points. This versatility not only appeals to different budgets, but also enables artisans to cater to a wider audience, increasing the potential for sales and customer engagement. The act of repurposing wood scraps into gifts also fosters a sense of community and connection. Artisans can share their techniques and creations with others, whether through workshops, social media, or local craft fairs. This communal aspect of crafting encourages collaboration and idea exchange, enriching the overall experience for everyone involved. As artisans showcase their work, they inspire others to consider the beauty and potential of repurposed materials, creating a ripple effect that promotes sustainable practices within the crafting community. This sense of belonging and shared purpose can be incredibly fulfilling, as artisans recognize that their efforts contribute to a larger movement focused on creativity, sustainability, and the celebration of handmade goods. Additionally, the emotional connections formed through gifting repurposed wooden items cannot be overstated. Handmade gifts often carry a deeper significance than store-bought alternatives, as they embody the time, effort, and thoughtfulness of the creator. When artisans craft gifts from wood scraps, they infuse each piece with their personal touch, transforming simple materials into meaningful tokens of appreciation or love. Recipients of these gifts often feel a sense of connection to the artisan, as they recognize the dedication and creativity that went into creating something just for them. This emotional resonance enhances the value of the gift, fostering relationships and memories that can last a lifetime. The act of giving becomes not just a transaction, but a meaningful exchange that strengthens bonds between friends, family, and community members. The versatility of repurposed wood scraps also allows for a wide range of gift options, making it possible to cater to various occasions and tastes. Whether crafting personalized items for birthdays, holidays, or special milestones, artisans can create gifts that resonate with the recipient's interests and preferences. For instance, a custom woodcut map of a significant location can serve as a memorable gift for someone who cherishes travel, while a handcrafted cutting board can delight a cooking enthusiast. This adaptability ensures that artisans can continuously explore new ideas and refine their skills, keeping their creative process engaging and dynamic. It also allows artisans to stay attuned to current trends and consumer preferences, ensuring that their creations remain relevant and appealing. Moreover, the process of creating gifts from repurposed wood scraps can be immensely satisfying on a personal level. As artisans work with their hands, they engage in a form of mindfulness that promotes relaxation and mental well-being. The tactile nature of woodworking allows individuals to immerse themselves in the creative process, leading to a sense of accomplishment when completing a project. This therapeutic aspect of crafting not only enhances the overall experience, but also encourages artisans to return to their work as a source of joy and fulfillment. The ability to channel creativity into tangible products reinforces the idea that art can be a powerful outlet for self-expression and emotional release. In addition to the creative and emotional satisfaction, the financial potential of selling unique gifts made from repurposed wood scraps can be significant. As the demand for handmade, eco-friendly products continues to rise, artisans can capitalize on this trend by offering items that reflect their commitment to sustainability and craftsmanship. Whether selling at local markets, online platforms, or through social media, artisans have the opportunity to build a brand that resonates with consumers who value uniqueness and quality. This entrepreneurial aspect of crafting can lead to a fulfilling side hustle or even a full-time business, allowing artisans to turn their passion into a viable source of income. Lastly, creating gifts from repurposed wood scraps contributes to a larger cultural narrative that values craftsmanship and individuality over mass production. In a world increasingly dominated by disposable goods, the act of creating something with care and intention serves as a powerful reminder of the beauty of handmade items. By choosing to repurpose materials and craft unique gifts, artisans align themselves with a movement that champions sustainability, creativity, and the appreciation of skilled labor. This cultural shift not only influences consumer behavior, but also encourages future generations to explore the world of crafting, ensuring that the legacy of woodworking and creativity continues to thrive. The advantages of creating unique gifts from repurposed wood scraps are manifold and impactful. From promoting sustainability and minimizing waste to fostering creativity and emotional connections, the benefits extend far beyond the crafting process itself. As artisans embrace the challenge of transforming leftover materials into beautiful gifts, they contribute to a broader movement that values resourcefulness, craftsmanship, and the celebration of individuality. Ultimately, the joy of creating something meaningful and unique from repurposed wood not only enriches the lives of those who receive the gifts, but also allows artisans to express their creativity, connect with their communities, and leave a lasting impact on the world around them. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our handpicked for repurpose wood scraps unique gifts ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.